Hey there, budget travelers, ready to explore Newport, Rhode Island without breaking the bank? Let's dive into some wallet-friendly adventures. First up, the Cliff Walk. This 3.5-mile trail gives you stunning ocean views and a glimpse of historic mansions, all for free, perfect for those scenic selfies. Next, Newport's beaches. Head to Easton's beach or Second Beach. Parking is cheap and the beach access is free, sun, sand, and savings. For history buffs, the Touro Synagogue is a must-see. It's the oldest synagogue in the US. A small admission fee gets you a big slice of history. Want to explore grand estates? Check out Rough Point. While mansion tours cost a bit, wandering the gardens and grounds is totally free. You can't miss the breakers. Sure, the tour is pricey, but admiring this opulent mansion from the outside is completely free. For sports fans, the International Tennis Hall of Fame has beautiful, historic grounds to explore. Some public areas are free. Game, set, match. Take a stroll around Bowen's Wharf for picturesque harbor views and occasional free events. It's the perfect spot to unwind. King Park is another gem. It's a lovely spot for picnicking and relaxing by the harbor, and yep, it's free. Outdoor enthusiasts, Fort Adams State Park is calling. Enjoy walking trails and harbor views. Exploring the fort's exterior won't cost you a dime. Nature lovers, head to Norman Bird Sanctuary. With over 300 acres of trails, it's perfect for a small admission fee. Satchwis Point National Wildlife Refuge offers scenic trails and bird watching for free. A nature lover's paradise. Take a free or low-cost walking tour of Newport Harbor. Embrace the maritime vibes and historical sites. Art and culture fans, the Newport Art Museum has free admission days. Dive into local art and culture without spending much. Redwood Library and Athenaeum offers free public tours. Explore one of the oldest libraries in the US. The Newport Historical Society has free or low-cost walking tours. Discover Newport's rich history on a budget. Hungry? The White Horse Tavern serves historic charm and affordable fare. It's one of the oldest taverns in the US. The Fastnet Pub offers budget-friendly pub food and a great beer selection. Cheers to savings. For breakfast or brunch, the Hungry Monkey is a local favorite. Affordable and delicious. Bayside offers affordable seafood and local favorites with a beautiful bay view. Tasty and budget-friendly. Looking for a place to stay? Budget hotels like Motel 6 Newport or the Cleveland House are great options. Airbnb has budget-friendly rooms or homes in Newport. Feel at home without overspending. And for the adventurous, nearby campgrounds like Melville Ponds Campground offer budget-friendly stays. So pack your bags and head to Newport for an amazing, budget-friendly adventure. Happy travels!